Jesus Christ. I'm not running it up any higher in the shop.
Okay.
If that fucking comes off the stand, it's going to go right through that wall.
Yeah, because you just a kickstand. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Oh boy. Okay, the first takeoff. Listen to this.
This is what a $1,600 motor sounds like in first gear. Now that's reading 24 kilometers an hour. There's no way that that's 24 kilometers an hour. We're going to switch this into high gear. And see
Oh
what
God.
happens.
I'm backing up.
I
I'm
would
backing up.
Oh, so like, they got allocated 3 speeds backwards.
Okay, well I'm going to post this now and then we'll do the full later. Fonz, get out of there. Sounds beautiful.
Jesus. Feel the torque on that one. Wow, man.